what will be the implication for even the working class is this issue of the tax bill. I've read through one of them. One of them have to do with the increase in VAT. In that document, presently, VAT is 7.5%. They want to increase VAT progressively year by year until it reaches 15%. Whereas many countries of the world that are in economic difficulties, where workers cannot be able to make ends meet, they are reducing VAT. One of them is Ghana here. Ghana reduced it to 3%. And all those that are proponents of the increase in VAT today, yesteryears, they were against any increase in VAT. And let me tell you the implication. It implies that if you are buying this thing 10 kobo today, because VAT is added, progressively, with the 2.5% annual increase on VAT, it means you will buy it higher. It means cost of goods and services will be higher. Yes, there will be more revenue, but you are robbing Paul to pay Paul. That's what it means. And therefore, it's an issue that Labour has engaged all through the years. You remember when Obasanjo left, he increased VAT. When Aradua came, we engaged him. And with reasoning, with sound logic, he was able to actually drop that idea of VAT. So I think it's one issue that we need to engage because it's going to affect all of us. It's going to affect your minimum wage because cost of goods and services will be high. And basically, they also forgot that our economy is 70% informal. And therefore, people will now continue to make it informal because people will try to evade, even buying in all those supermarkets that will charge actually VAT, and it will even affect the economy. So basically, this is one factor I've seen in the argument that we need to progressively address because it's going to affect workers, it's going to affect pensioners, it's going to affect everybody that is on wages because cost of goods and services will be high. So the tax they are saying will multiply is actually from your pocket. And basically it's going to affect all of us. So I think it's one argument that we need to put across to government that, well, basically increasing VAT yearly, I think is not progressive. We should tax the rich and subsidize for the poor. Because even if you say you are exempting some goods, basically food items will not be exempted. Necessities of life will not be exempted. So it means all of us will be affected. And I think that is not progressive enough. And I think some of the progressive have spoken against this particular provision. And I think I should lend my voice to that because it's something that we have very good knowledge about how it works and how it will affect all of us.